here's what you'll need for this delicious tiramisu. A bar of chocolate, some eggs, some cake bars I use instead of ladies' fingers. I find they tastier and they've got chocolate chips in. Some coffee, some almond extract. Get the extract if you can. It's made from the plant, whereas almond essence is made of chemicals. Mascarpone cheese, some Nutella spread, or as I've got, the shop's equivalent, some caster sugar, and of course some almond nuts. First thing we're going to do is separate 4 eggs. Then we're going to beat the egg whites till they're nice and fluffy and create little peaks. With your egg whites nice and fluffy, it's time to get the bowl with your egg yolks in, go in with the sugar and then give them a good mix. With your egg yolks and sugar mixed together, time to go in with your almond extract, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, and then into there with your mascarpone cream cheese. Once you've got your cheese in there, you're then going to whisk these so these all get mixed together. With your cheese and eggs mixed, it's time to put away your whisk, and then you're going to combine your egg white mixture with your cheese mixture. So into there bit by bit with your egg whites and just mix them in. This is to get some air into your mixture. Do that with all your egg white mixture. When you've mixed them all together so it resembles something like that creamy mixture, pop that in the fridge for half an hour just to firm up a little bit. With the mixture firming up in the fridge, it's time to break up your almonds into little bits. So into a mini blender. If you haven't got a mini blender, get a rolling pin and a tea towel and bash away. But the easiest way is this, into there and break them up. Now it's on with actually building the tiramisu. So in my case, I'm just going to cut these little cake bars in half. If you're using ladies' fingers, obviously you don't do that. Onto there, I'm just going to put some of your coffee that you've made. And then smear that with your chocolate spread. And in it goes. A bit time consuming, but it's worth it. When you've got a layer of your sponge or ladies' fingers down, time to go in with your mixture. Well, half your mixture anyway. And then onto there is half of your almond nuts. And then it's time to put your second layer on. So, same thing again. Bit of coffee. And then some Nutella. Start again with another layer. With your next layer of sponge on, it's time to go on with the rest of your mixture. And then onto there, we're going to grate some of your chocolate bar. And then finally, it's on with the rest of your almonds. And that wants to go in the fridge again for a couple of hours, and preferably overnight, and then get stuck in and enjoy its deliciousness.